Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got a brand new everyday carry flashlight from our good friends over at Sofirn. It's the SE1, and it's hard to call it a flashlight because it's more like a miniature light cube. Although you can use it as an everyday carry flashlight, it's tiny, and it's one of the most unique flashlights I've ever reviewed on the channel. Now, before I get too deep into all the cool features that this product provides, I always like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll dive into the details because what Sofirn's designed here is a portable flashlight that you can carry with you in a lot of different ways. You can use it in a bunch of different ways, and it really does produce 300 lumens of light in a tiny little package that's smaller than a cookie. So let me start with the unboxing and then I'll dive into more of the details. All right, so when you first pop open the box, it's hard to believe all of this fits inside that box, by the way, but you'll find the unit. It weighs 20 grams. I mean, it is incredibly light. You'll also find an elastic band that you can actually thread through the holder and put it on your wrist, so it's always with you. And you have a couple of other ways to carry it as well. They include a loop for a keychain, so if you want to put it on your keychain, you can do that. They also include a necklace that you can attach it to, so you can hang it around your neck if you want to. The unit is magnetically attached on the bottom, right there, and it comes with a beautiful little holder that has a clamp on it. So you can clamp this to your hat, you can clamp it to your pocket, you can clamp it to almost anything, and then the light snaps into the holder. And when you want to use it, you can leave it in the holder and turn it on. You're like, like a superhero shooting light out over your hand if you're working on something, but you can also pop it off the holder and use it anywhere you need it. And then finally, a charging cable is also included. It's a USB-C to USB-C. This unit charges over USB-C. You can use any standard wall charger or any computer or other device that has a USB-C port on it to charge the internal battery, and you'll get about 10 hours of use out of the light on its lowest setting. And also included is a full instruction manual that explains everything you need to know about the light, how to use it, how to charge it, what the different sections do, and how you can turn on the light and adjust the brightness and all the other cool things the light provides. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about the SE1 because I've reviewed a lot of everyday carry flashlights on the channel, and I'll tell you, this is a new type or class of flashlight. I'll call it the ultra portable because, again, when I got it, I thought, it's tiny. How bright can it be? And then I was reading through the documentation and doing some testing with it. 300 lumens of light, which is incredible for a small flashlight like this. Internal battery, it's got an aluminum case, so it's incredibly rugged. It charges again through a USB-C port right there, and I can get up to 10 hours of use out of the unit. And it's also got a very simple operation. Unlike a lot of other EDC lights that have multiple buttons and things you got to push and slide, with this one there's a single button on the top. And if you tap it, it'll turn on the light. Then you can hold it down and walk through 4 different levels of light, starting with 5 lumens, 15 lumens, 75 lumens, and finally 300 lumens for that ultra bright light. It also has a UV light on it. So if you're checking bills or you're looking for something that will glow in the dark, you can turn on the UV light and you can search across your carpet or your desktop, whatever you're looking for. And it also has an RGB ring on the top that has 4 different settings. So I'll show you how that works now. Let me get this stuff out of the way really quickly, and I'll take you outside too to show you how bright it is. But to turn the light on, you tap the button and the light comes on. Now I've got 300 lumens of light right there. If I hold it down though, it'll start off with 5, 15, 75, and 300. So you can walk through the different settings. And again, in the lowest setting right there, which is moonlight mode, this will operate for up to 10 hours. So if you're on a camping trip, all you need is a little bit of light to find those sneakers in the tent or maybe make an adjustment to your power station, and then you can turn it off. Now, if you want to turn on the ultraviolet, you tap it twice and the ultraviolet comes on. I'm not sure you can see that with all the lighting here in the studio, but there's your UV light. And then if you want to turn on the actual RGB on the top, you'll hold the button down for a couple of seconds and it turns on. Now initially it's going to circle in different colors, but if you tap it twice, it'll turn red. And then if you tap it twice again, it'll turn green. And if you tap it twice again, it'll move into flash mode where it's flashing red and then blue. So if you're out in the woods and it's totally dark, maybe you've fallen down, people are trying to find you, you can put it in that safety mode and hold it up and people will see you over there in the corner of the forest. I'm sure you could use the light as well, but I think it's really cool that they give you all those different options. So what I'd like to do next is I'll actually take you outside and show you just how bright this is in total darkness, because I have a lot of different everyday carry flashlights that I bring with me when I'm out in the camping trips or I'm out there flying my drones. But this one is one I'm definitely going to want to bring along because the versatility of this, having something that I can clamp on my hat when I'm out there in the woods, I can face it like this, clamp it on my hat just like that, and I've got a light out in front of me to light the path. I can take it off there, clamp it on my belt, and it'll throw light down on the forest floor. It's just a really versatile product. So if you stay tuned next, I'll do a few examples outside, and then I'll come back with a few final thoughts.
I'm outside and I wanted to show you how bright this light actually gets. Right there you'll see it on the lowest setting. Then I'll go to the next one. That's pretty bright. I can throw a lot of light in front of me. You can see the grass really well. Here's the next highest setting. Pretty darn bright. Look how far that's throwing light across the backyard. Then that's the highest setting. And that's throwing light way up in the tree, all the way across the grass. And that's from a tiny little light that weighs 20 grams and is honestly smaller than a cookie.
Okay, I hope those examples were helpful. I have to be honest, I wasn't sure what I would think about this until I started using it because it's tiny, right? So I'm looking at the size of this thinking, just based on physics alone, how bright can this be? Well, what Sofirn's done is they built in an incredibly efficient LED in the front, which can generate up to 300 lumens of light. And if you have it on the lowest setting, that 5 lumen setting, it'll run for 10 hours, which again, it's hard to imagine how they packed enough energy into this tiny little cube to run for 10 hours. But then to surprise me, they actually built in a UV light, which is kind of neat. And they built in an LED ring on the top that's RGB that I can use in the darkness to, signal somebody or, show somebody that we're having an emergency. I just think they've thought of everything. And one of my favorite features of this product, I mean, it's cool enough on its own where I can hang it off my keychain, but this little mount, this actual clamp, is brilliant. Just the way it snaps in there and I can clamp it on my hat or my pocket or my pants is just great. It makes it much more versatile when I'm out in the field. I also like the fact that I can attach it to anything metal. So if I'm working on my car, I stick it to the side of my hood and I've got light looking at my engine to change my oil, charge my battery, whatever I'm doing. So I think Sofirn's done a great job with the SE1. To me, it's unique. I haven't seen a lot of these in the market, but I imagine now that this has been released, there'll probably be other products coming out that look similar to this, and I'll have to see what they look like. But for me right now, this SE1 is the ultra compact light cube that I'm going to bring with me pretty much everywhere. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I've enjoyed talking about it. So until next time, as always, stay nerdy.